Welcome to the Eblackdog Security and Facility Management System. Upon starting the Eblackdog software, your first task is to complete the admin section to ensure the software functions seamlessly. Here, you can input basic organizational details and upload your company logo. Simply click the Update link to store the data. Under Add Employee Category, you can store category names. In Add Employee Roles, you can store designations and employee categories based on permanent and contract basis. For tax types, you can store GST types and percentages by entering the GST name and percentage. User Login Creation offers an exclusive Add User facility for those with multiple Eblackdog user licenses. This is particularly useful for large companies with numerous employees like security guards and facility management staff, requiring multiple admin staff to manage data, salary, attendance, and other details. Here, you can approve, disapprove, and delete users. In Bill Number Configuration, you can enter the starting bill number, which will be reflected in bill generation. Under Rights Management, users are listed, and you can select screens for each user. When you click checkbox and click Save Link, the data will be stored. In Payroll Configuration, select the designation and enter percentage details for payslip calculation. Ensure the total percentage is 100 before clicking Update link to store the data, which will be used for payslip calculation. In Uniform Master, add uniform names and their respective amounts. Clicking Add New link opens a new window where you can input uniform names. In Uniform Stock, update your purchase quantity for each uniform. Select the purchase date and supplier name, and use the Add Row link to add more uniforms. Clicking Store link stores the data. This purchase quantity will be deducted when issuing uniforms to employees. Let's see the Employee module. Here, you can input the basic details of an employee and enter their payslip information. The employee's salary will be calculated based on these details. Make sure the total must be 100%. Under Registration Listing, you'll find a list of registered employees. Clicking the View/Edit link allows you to edit employee details, while clicking Resign adds the employee to the Resign list. In the Employee Salary Structure section, select an employee to access their details screen. Here, you can input salary increment information. Clicking Submit stores the data for management's record of salary increments. This is just for the information of the management to record the kind of salary increment. It does not reflect anywhere else. For Employee ID card creation, select the employee's name and a valid date. Clicking Print ID card opens the print screen where you can print the ID card or save it as a PDF. Next is the Employee PF ESI list. Choose the mode and filter the data based on PF and ESI lists. The detail screen displays which employees have PF and ESI contributions. Moving on to the resigned employee listing, clicking View opens the details screen where you can view information about resigned employees. To rejoin an employee, click Rejoin, enter the details, and the data will automatically be added back to the registration listing. Lastly, in the Visit Guard listing, you can add guards who are attending interviews by clicking Add New. Enter the guard's details, which are stored in the Eblackdog software for record-keeping purposes. It does not reflect anywhere in the software. With this, we've covered the Employee module. In Customer Registration, you can update basic details along with area and TDS details. These details are crucial for employee allocation based on areas. Clicking the Store link saves the data. Under Customer Listing, select a customer to access their details screen. Here, you can update all information. Clicking Update stores the data. You can also select the branch and delete the customer by choosing a date and clicking the Delete link. Deleted customer data is added to the deleted customer listing. In Deleted Customer Listing, you'll find a list of deleted customers. Click View to see details. Moving to Quotations, you can add quotations by entering customer basic details, reference number, and uploading the quotation. Note that these details do not generate the quotation itself. They are stored for reference. Clicking Store adds the data. This section serves as marketing information. You can view uploaded files and edit or delete quotation details by clicking View/Edit. With this, we've completed the Customer module. To begin with the Allocation module, select the company, month, year, area, and field officer. Once selected, the allocation screen will appear. Here, input the number of employees being allocated and the service charge for the role. Important note, the service charge here refers to what you will charge the client, not the salary you'll pay the employee. This service charge amount will be calculated for the total employees in the company's bill generation. Click Submit to proceed. In the next screen, select the employee's name, attendance for the month, and the employee's unit-wise salary. Important note, if the allocated employee is already working, add their attendance here. If they are new, you can skip adding attendance. Also, select the shift mode, then click Allocate to store the data. You can view allocated employee details in the View Allocated Employees section. Here, you can see details of allocated employees. First, select the month and allocated company. You can update the service charge here. To cancel an employee, click the Cancel link and the employee will be canceled for this company. Then, click Update to save the details. If you want to replace an employee, select the company and from / to dates for replacement. Enable the checkbox and the Select option will be enabled. Choose the employee to replace based on the date and click Replace to update the data. Next is the Reallocate Employee feature, which adds more employees to the same company. Select the company and month for the company to reallocate employees. To add extra employees for a company, click Allocate More Employees. The allocation screen will open where you can update details. Input the same details as for employee allocation. Then click Add Existing to update the new data. Lastly, view replaced employees by selecting the month and company. Here, replaced employee details are listed. Click Cancel to remove replaced details. With this, we've covered the allocation module. Let's explore the leave management module. In Mark Staff Attendance, first select the month and year. You can add attendance for allocated employees on a monthly basis, but can't update attendance for previous months. Enter data as mentioned above, D for day, N for night, D/N for day/night, P for present, L for leave, H for holiday, A for absent, W/O for week of. The attendance will be stored automatically. In Mark Company Attendance, select the month and company. Here, you can add attendance based on the company. Enter data similar to the Mark Staff Attendance. Attendance will be stored automatically. In View Company Attendance, select the company and month for which you have already allocated employees. The attendance window will open, allowing you to see the updated daily attendance. In Store Staff Attendance, select the month, and the attendance screen will list unallocated employees. Update the attendance for the month, then click Store Attendance to save the data. In Store Company Attendance, select the company and month. Here, you can update employee attendance for the month. This feature is commonly used by customers who receive attendance details in Excel format. They select the company and enter the total mandates of employees for the month. This attendance is used for payslip calculation. If monthly attendance is not added here, daily attendance will be used for payslip calculation. Click Store Attendance to save the data. With this, we've completed the Leave Management module. Let's explore the Create Bill and Billing module. Firstly, select the company and month. If employees have already been allocated to this company, the working days will be automatically updated. Click Generate Bill, and the bill calculation screen will appear. Here, review all details, select the date, and click Create to generate the bill. Note that Create Bill is only for companies with allocated employees. In Manual Bill, select the company and month. The key difference from Create Bill is that you can generate a bill for the company without allocating employees. Here, you manually enter all details and click Generate Bill to save the data. For Print Bill, select the company and month, then click Get Bill to generate a PDF. You can download the file in PDF format. Moving to bill payment, select the company and month to open the bill payment details screen. Enter the paid amount, paid date, and select the payment mode, cash, check, or DD. Additionally, you can store bank details. Click Submit to store the data. In View Payment Details, select the company and month to view payment details. Here you can check your payment details of your bills. With this, we've completed the billing module. Let's explore the various advanced facilities in the Payroll module. Firstly, select the employee and month. The Details screen will open where you can enter the advance amount and select the date. The given by must be an office staff. To add an advance, an employee with an admin role in the office staff category is required. Click Store to save the data. In View Advanced Details, you can view stored advanced details of employees and update the details. For travel allowance, enter details similar to advance, with the only difference being to select the allowance mode. Pay slip calculation is based on your selection of earnings or deductions in the allowance mode. For mess fees, select the employee and month, then enter the mess fees. Click Save to store the details. In Employee Uniform, click Add New. Select the date, employee name, given by, and payment type. If choosing the installment payment type, uniform charges will be deducted monthly based on the total amount. If selecting full payment, charges are deducted once. Enter the number of installments and select uniform name for the employee. Click Store to add the data. In Employee Payslip, select employee name, month, and year. Salary calculation is based on hours. Monthly salary is calculated by unitwise. You can check total earnings, deductions, rent details, and uniform deductions. Basic pay and allowances are calculated based on employee payslip configuration. Click Submit to store the data. For print payslip, select month, year, and employee name. Click Add to add the employee name in the list, then click Print to open a new window. Review details and print in PDF format. In advance, mess, and uniform fees, you can update details even after payslip generation. Click Store to save the data. For employee rent, enter details similar to advance. With this, we've completed the Payroll module. Let's explore the Reports module. In Advanced Report, select the employee and month. The Details screen will open where you can print the report in PDF format and export it to Excel. In Company-wise Employee Salary Report, select the company, month, area, and field officer. You can filter data company-wise and print the report in PDF format or export it to Excel. In Total Employee Salary Report, sort data by PF and ESI. Select the month and year to view employee role, bank name, account number, IFSC code. Generate payslips by clicking employee names and download files in PDF and Excel formats. In Total Company Salary Report, select the month and year to view the details. Here employee salary details listed on company-wise. Download files in PDF and Excel formats. In Employee PFSI Report, select the employee mode, report type, and month. Print the report in PDF format or export it to Excel. In Total Bill Report, select the month to view generated bills. Generate invoices by clicking bill numbers and download files in PDF and Excel formats. In Advance, MESS, Uniform Reports, select the month to print reports in PDF format and download Excel files. In continuous leave, select the month and year to view details of continuous leave taken by employees. Download files in PDF and Excel formats. In Total Employees ESI report, select the employee name and month to export data to Excel. In Total Employees EPF report, select the employee name and month to export data to Excel. In Uniform Stock Report, you can check the details of uniform stocks. Here you download file in PDF format and Excel format. By this we have completed reports module. If you have any clarifications, you can contact us. Thank you for choosing Eblackdog Security Management System.